In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create and use folders in Bitwarden. Organizing your passwords into folders is a simple but powerful way to keep everything neat, easy to find, and more efficient to manage. To get started, open your Bitwarden app or web vault and head to the main vault screen. This is where all your saved logins and secure items are stored. From here, look for the option to create a new folder. Once you select it, you'll be asked to give your folder a name. Choose something clear and descriptive such as work, personal, banking or shopping so you instantly know what belongs inside. After creating the folder, you can edit it anytime if you want to rename it or reorganize things later. Now it's time to start using the folder. Open any item in your vault that you want to organize. Inside the item details, you will see a folder option. Simply select the folder you just created and save your changes. That item will now appear inside that folder, making it easier to locate in the future. Folders also work perfectly with Bitwarden's autofill feature. When editing an item, make sure the website URL is added correctly. This allows Bitwarden to recognize the site and automatically fill in your login details when you visit it. You can also use the notes section to add extra details like usage reminders or account specific instructions, so everything you need is stored in one place. Once you're done organizing, don't forget to save your changes. That's all there is to it. Using folders in Bitwarden helps you stay organized, saves time, and makes managing your passwords much smoother and more secure. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.